So, Dogga, what is on your thoughts?
Oh, nothing much. Just that I want some bacon.
But bacon isn't kosher, Dogga.
But I love bacon. Bacon is the best thing in the world. Bacon is my love. Bacon. Bacon, oh yes, bacon for pigs. I miss that bacon. I miss it so much. I want bacon so much. I hate pig's ears. Pig's ears are gross.
But pig are the same thing.
Okay, well, I'm leaving then.
Done.